وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Read Al-Quran the easy way. I welcome you to 7th lesson in which we will study the letters Jim, Sheen and Ya. These three letters occur in the Quran almost 21,400 times. MashaAllah. So get ready, take a deep breath, charge yourself, your brain, and smile because you are the best. Why? Because the Prophet ﷺ said so. The best of you are those who learn the Quran and teach it. And also you learn best and remember more when you feel good. Okay? So let us read our beloved poem. Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Tha, the, tha. Ta, da, ta, za, sa, sa, la, na, ra. Ra is just thick. From its middle are ja, sha, ya. And that's what we are studying now. We will continue with the poem when we learn the rest. So let's take the first letter, Jim. Jim. Do you see that big tummy? Okay, the big tummy there. And a line on the top. And what is that dot doing there? Let's see. You already know jars of jellies and jam. Jars of jellies and jam. Yummy yummies, okay? And the jam sandwich also. Right? That's a jam sandwich. Well, the letter Jim has been eating lots of jam sandwiches. So you see that dot in its tummy? That's the jam sandwich. So there it is, letter Jim with a big tummy and a dot and a line at the top. How do you say Jim? Use the middle of the tongue and touch it to the palate or roof of the mouth. Ja, ja, ja. Don't touch the edge. Ja, ja, ja. No, not the edge. It's a heavier sound. Ja, ja, ja. If you touch the edge only, it will be ja, ja. I'm touching the edge now. Ja, ja, ja. No. Ja, ja, ja. Okay? Alright. Let's write Jim. But before we write, I hope you have been practicing or you already know the strokes that are required to write Arabic letters. There are 4 sets of strokes. Each set has 3. Like, let me just write down quickly those strokes. What are they? A vertical line and a horizontal line and a sliding line, or for kids we say standing line, sleeping line, sliding line, and then a quarter circle, half circle, full circle, and a tray and a cup and a big cup and a tongue and a C and a big C. Okay, so let us write G. Using these strokes you can write any letter, by the way, and inshallah it's very easy. It's very simple. So how do you write G? Well, first write a line, okay, and make a big tummy, big C with a dot in between. That is the letter G. Very simple. Line and a big C and a dot in its tummy. That is G. Alright, how do you write the short form? Short form, identify the face first. So this is the face and take that dot there. So here is the face, okay, and put a connector. So here is the face and put a connector. That is the short form of G. So you see that full form and short form there, okay, and both of these can have connectors as usual. They can have connectors from previous letters, both the full form and the short form. And here are examples of the letter G in its full form and the short form with connectors to both in the examples given below. Let us, practice reading G with fatha. Fatha, the stroke on the top, just one stroke on the top. So can we read it? Ja, 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 ja. Okay, ja, 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 ja. Very simple. Now let's take the second letter, which is the letter Sheen. The letter Sheen. Remember the snake, the shape of seen? This is seen, okay? This is the shape of seen. When this snake takes a shower, it becomes sheen. Okay, those 3 dots are for the shower. So here is the letter sheen with 3 dots on the top. So this is letter sheen. Okay, how do you say sheen? Well, in every lesson, the set that we take are from the same spot in general. Okay, in almost all the lessons except one, we have the letters coming out from the same makhraj, same spot. So G, Ja, Sha, Ya, all of the 3 come from the middle of the tongue. So middle of the tongue touches the palate or roof of the mouth, and you say Sha, Sha. And again, don't use the edge. Don't say sha, sha, sha. Don't use the edge, but middle of the tongue, as you see in the cartoon there. Sha, sha. Okay. And let's write sheen. Well, it's very simple. Just like we learned how to write seen. A small cup and a small cup and a big cup. A small cup and a small cup and a big cup. That is, and put 3 dots, and that is sheen. Okay. Sheen. Very simple. And how do you get the short form of sheen? Let me write sheen again, once again. Okay, sheen, small cup and a small cup and a big cup and 3 dots. And to get the short form, just get the head for the face of the sheen first, or its head, and that is sheen. Okay, that's the face of sheen, and then put a connector. That's it. Very simple. So there you have the full form of sheen and the short form with connectors from previous letters for both cases, for the full form and the short form. Here are examples of the letter sheen in different words in its full form and the short form, and also with connectors to them before coming from previous letters. Alright, let's practice reciting sheen with fatha, the stroke on the top, fatha stroke. So we have sha, 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 sha. Once again, sha, 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 sha. Third letter is letter ya. Third letter is letter ya. How do you say yes? Ya. I mean, in spoken English, in day-to-day talk, we say ya, yes, ya, yes, ya. So you see the English letter S on the left, yes, and the letter ya of Arabic on the right. Yeah? Okay, that's it. The S on the left is like masculine S, and here is feminine ya, which is a little bit stylish. And by the way, letters are feminine in Arabic. So you know how to write ya. Yes? Ya. With a little style there. Okay? So, and how do you say ya? Same makhraj. The middle of the tongue touches the palate or roof of the mouth, and you say ya, 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 ya. Okay? And how do you write it? Writing is also very simple. Let's write ya. First erase this sheen. Okay, so just writing letter S and just add a little style, a curvy tail at the end, and that becomes ya. Simple. But short form is a little smarter there. Actually, is smart, amazing Arabic. Instead of writing this whole big face, you just make it straight and compensate for that, the curve. You just put 2 dots there. This is ya, okay, with a connector here. So this is ya. Very simple. Don't mix it with ba. Okay, ba has 1 dot and ya has 2 dots. Yeah? Okay. So there it is, the full form of ya and the short form ya with 2 dots below. And the 2 letters show the same full form and the short form of ya with connectors before them coming from previous letters. So here are examples of full form and the short form of ya and with connectors from previous letters in the line given below. Let us practice reading ya with fatha stroke on the top. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. You have learnt it. Yeah? Yes, yeah. Let's practice reading the new letters that we learned today, the 3 letters. Can you read it? Sha, ja, ya, sha, ja, ja, ya, ya, sha, ja. Okay, now don't mix the letters. Each letter has a unique sound or appearance or shape. So don't mix them in terms of sounds or their articulation of makhraj or in their shapes. You know, apples and oranges, they are different. Okay, shapes are different. So can you see the difference here? First one is seen, the snake, and the second one is snake taking shower. That is sheen, okay, and they are short forms with connectors given below in the third line. So all of these are sa, sha, sa, sha, sa, sha. Don't mix the two. Similarly, here is another, challenge. I will not say problem. Tha, tray with 3 fruits. 3 thamar, thalatha thamar. Tray with 3, tha. And the other one is sha. Sha has 3 tooth, okay, and the 3 dots, 3 tooths, 3 dots. The snake taking shower is sha. So this one is tha and the other one is sha. Tha, sha. Tha is simple and sha has 3 teeth, okay, not tooths, sorry, teeth, 3 teeth for sheen. And now we have ta and ya. Well, in their full form, they are very much distinct. Ta has 2 dots on the top, 2 tomatoes in the tray, and ya is stylish. Yes, ya. But when it comes to short forms, you have 2 dots on the top for the ta as usual, but ya takes 2 dots below. That is ya. Ta and ya, ta and ya. And the last line shows the short forms with connectors from previous letters. Okay, what about this one? Ba and ya. Ba, ball below the bat. That's too familiar to you. Ba and ya. And in their short form, there is possibility that you may mix the two. Ba has a ball below it, a single dot below it, whereas ya has 2. Ya has 2 dots. And the last line shows the ba and ya, the 2 letters ba and ya with connectors coming from previous letters. Let's revise what we have learned in previous lessons now. Na, la, ba, ta, tha, sa, fa, ta, ma, ta, pa, very thick and high. Va, very thick and high. Sa, very thick and high. Sa, very thick and high. Sa, it's not thick, not high. Simple. Sa, sa. Da, da. Ra, just thick. Ra. Za. Wa. Let's play a game now. I will show you different words. You will identify the letter that I want. Where is the letter G? G. The first one, well, hopefully obvious. Where is Jim in this one? The second one, okay. And where is Jim in this one? The third one, the first cannot be Jim because it has no dot, okay. The second one is Jim, okay. Where is the letter Sheen? 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 The first one, snake taking shower, just the head, the face of Sheen. In this one, where is Sheen? Sheen, 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 3 dots, snake taking shower, the third one, okay. And where is Sheen in this one? Well, 3 letters, you cannot miss it. the last one. Where is letter Ya? Ya. Ya. In its short form, Ya has two dots below it, so the second letter is Ya. What about this? Well, two dots in the short form. There it is. Last but one. Okay. And where is Ya in this case? Well, Ya is like S, Ya. Okay, with little stylish tail at the end. So that is Ya. So how far are we? Let's take the letter poem again. Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Tha, the, dha, ta, the, ta, za, sa, sa, la, na, ra. From its middle are ja, sha, ya. And we'll continue with the rest later on. Before we close, let's take spoken Arabic. Okay. We have already learned huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu. We have now hiya, hunna. Right hand for masculine forms, left hand for feminine forms, without any intent of discrimination, just to keep things clear and not mix here. So hiya is she. So just use your left hand and point with your one finger to the left. Hiya, she. Hiya is she. Hunna means they. Hunna is for they, sisters or ladies. Hunna. Hiya, hunna. Hiya, hunna. Hiya, hunna. Can you repeat after me? Hiya, she. Hiya, she. Hunna, they. Hunna, they. Hiya, she. Hiya, she. Hunna, they. Hunna, they. Hiya, hunna. Hiya, hunna. Hiya, hunna. Hiya, hunna. Keep repeating and inshallah you will learn it. That's it for now. See you in the next lesson. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.